Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Nitha. I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today in this session, I'm going to give you some of the vocabularies on the topic travel in places. So this is a very common topic that tends to come up in your IELTS, both in your speaking as well as your writing part. So when it comes to speaking, they can ask you like if your cue card can be something like describe your favorite place that you have visited, describe your favorite vacation, describe the favorite travel that you have done with your family. And then you can expect a lot of questions which is related to travel and all these things in your follow-up sessions. Similarly, in your writing, you can expect questions like people taking gap year for traveling. Then people these days travel more than the previous years. What is your take on this? Is the good or bad thing? Okay, there are many stuffs that can be related to this particular topic. Different type of sent questions can be framed with this topic in mind. Okay. So I would like to enlist different type of vocabularies that are associated with this particular topic. The first one is memorable. Memorable means unforgettable. Second one is custom or local traditions. Custom means like if you're going to a place of cultural importance and traditions, then you can say like, okay, this place has a lot of good old customs. Next one is remote. Remote means a distant or a far away place. Next one is landscape. Landscape means large areas of countryside. You can say like, I visited that place and that place has beautiful landscapes. Okay. Next one is inhabitants. Inhabitants means the people living or the people occupying the place. So you can tell like, okay, they visited that place and the inhabitants were very friendly and cooperative and all these things. Next one is spectacular. Spectacular means amazing. You can use sentences like the morning view from my hotel was spectacular. Okay. Next one is outweigh. Outweigh means when you're comparing two things and if you feel one thing more important than the other, then you can say like, okay, this outweighs that. Okay. Next one is barren. Barren means without plants, without vegetation. So you can say like when I visited Rajasthan, that place I saw a lot of barren fields or barren land. Next is cautious. Cautious means avoiding risk. When you're actually traveling to a place, then you need to be cautious. You can say like, our tour guide asked us to be more cautious as the roads were slippery and all these things you can say. Next one is adventurous. I'm sure everyone will be knowing that. Next is unspoiled. Unspoiled means beautiful or an undamaged place. Next one is paradise. Paradise means it's a perfect place. So you can say like, okay, that place was a perfect paradise. Next one is wander. Wander means just walk without a proper aim. Okay, you have heard about the different type of usages using wander. You can act like that. Next one is wilderness. Wilderness means the land which is not at all used. Land not used. Okay, so you can say like there will be all bushy and all greenery and all forest type of places. So you can say like a lot of wilderness. Okay, so that's it. I hope I have covered almost all type of good vocabularies that are associated with the topic travel and places, and I hope the session was useful. If you feel the same, please do like and share the session. Also subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications. Thank you.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.